Hello. Sounds like you guys have all been asleep. Wonder when was the last time you ever been around with humans in this room, actually. It's already 3:45, so it sounds like I might be the first or only person that's actually been here. You do not look impressed. Oh, yeah, you. Forgot, yeah, you're the one that's missed the tail. Olive. Or is that Toby? Either way. Sounds like you guys have been tired all day. Who is sweeping up there? No one. Anyway. Hey. What are you doing? Hey, God, freaking shocked me. I had to say hi to the viewers? Jesus, you sting like crazy. Oh, hey. Iris. Oh, what happened? Oh, booster vaccine. Okay. Hey, don't worry, Iris. You alright? It's okay. Yeah, okay, I guess you don't want to be bothered. Well, alright. Oh, wait, are you Dorothy or. Wait, are you Iris? Because you look. Your Dorothy has booster shot. You want to hiss? Okay, so you're alright. Okay, I'll leave you two alone then. Are you okay? Huh? What are you saying? I actually love that there's one cat that sometimes follows me once in a while. You want to lick the viewers? Jeez. Don't bite me like that. Just don't warn me. Oh, God. You're gonna get a little butt on me? Okay. I'll do it one more time. Okay, why are you putting your full mouth on me? I. Jesus. Trying to. See, you're trying to bite my finger. What's the point of you biting my finger if you were licking my hand and putting your head on my hand? You're one weird cat, you know that? Don't know if you're trying to bite me or if I taste good or what. I mean, wash my hands with soap. Bet that might not taste good. Or even hand sanitizer. Sheesh.